them up with water. Then if you get too scared, run through the house after it closes. Okay. If you get too scared. I can't. Thank you.
Get your buckle out.
I opened the door for you. Here they are.
Oh yes. This store. A store completely dedicated to fireworks.
Remember those Roman candles we got?
Yes.
10 shot.
Nice.
I think there's 12 in there. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 12.
Haha, that's
$9.
awesome. Oh, cool.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's cheaper here.
Holy cow. I just love this. This is awesome. Kids are having a ball. I got loaded up on snaps because they're buy one, get 4 free. So for $2, I'm piled up here. Did you find something else that you like?
Oh my goodness, look.
You want to do those trick things?
These are one whole.
Okay, but we have to pull a prank on Dean with one, okay?
Okay. Oh, whoa.
We'll tie one to the bathroom door so it pops when somebody goes in there. That's what these red things are that you keep picking up, Hunter, that you're holding. They're for pranks.
Oh.
All right.
All these fireworks for $42. We found our new fun spot. What, are you just gonna dump them?
Yes.
Do not shoot fireworks at people. Okay, here we've got one of Hunter's...
Yeah, you get in the house. We won't light it until you're inside.
Don't worry. We got one of Hunter's major water balloons here.
Okay.
With an M80 on it. They're gonna blow it up.
Okay, can I light it?
I will stand back.
I think that thing will blow away.
Look, it didn't even blow up the water balloon.
It didn't blow it up.
That was our one tough balloon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of loud.
Alright, he's got it weighted. Tied and weighted.
Oh my god.
Yay!
No, he not. He did not.
Now clean up your swing.
Please. Here we are. Get back.
Bounce the bucket.
Dance in the smoke, dance in the smoke. It's like a rave party. Woo! Oh, he's gonna chase it down the street. That's a lot of smoke balls at one time.
Yeah.
What is that, like 4 or 5?